Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can do a remote desktop connection to your Windows machine using your iPhone as I am doing right now. So let's begin the video. First of all, on your iPhone, you're going to open the App Store and you're going to search for this application, Windows App Mobile. This is officially provided by Microsoft and it is free to use. So you're going to download and install this application. Once the application has been installed, you're going to open the Windows application. So it's asking you to connect to Bluetooth devices. So I'm going to just allow it. And from here you have this interface. Here you can see no devices. So in order to connect to your Windows machine via remote desktop connection, we're going to click on this add button on the top right. After that, we're going to select PC and you're going to need to enter these following details. First of all, your PC name. So if you have bought your Windows machine from a server provider, so they will provide you a unique IP address which you need to enter right here. So you can ask your administrator or server provider for your Windows machine IP address. After you enter the IP address, we are going to click on credentials. We are going to add the credentials. So here you need to enter the username and password which you will use to log into your machine. Again, these information will be provided to you by your IT or admin. After that, you can also provide a friendly machine name which I have provided so you can easily identify your machine. If you're going to add multiple machines, click on save, click on back, and now you can play with the rest of the information, but I am going to click on save. Here it is showing my machine. I am going to click on it and now it's connecting to my Windows machine via remote desktop connection from my iPhone. Here you can see I have successfully connected to my Windows machine via remote desktop connection using my iPhone, and you can also obviously view it in horizontal view as well. In order to view or use the mouse, you can use your screen and put the mouse over anything and then tap on it. So yeah, this is how simple it is you can do. So if you guys like this video, make sure to like it. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribe to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.